While the average grocery shopper is distracted by inflation headlines and buying the same basic items, the most advanced survivalists are quietly clearing out very specific sections of the store. They aren't bragging about it on forums, and they aren't buying standard survival rations. They are tracking supply chain vulnerabilities you don't even know exist. Welcome to the Prepper's Path. Today, we are revealing 5 foods smart preppers are buying right now. Let's go. Number 1. Ghee, clarified butter. Regular butter spoils in days without a fridge, and oil goes rancid fast. Smart preppers are buying bulk ghee. Because the milk solids are removed, it is a hyper-dense survival fat that can sit on a shelf at room temperature for years without spoiling. Number 2. Raw, unfiltered honey. This is not just a sweetener, it is a pharmaceutical asset. True raw honey never spoils. It has been found perfectly edible in ancient Egyptian tombs. It provides instant glucose for energy and acts as a natural antibacterial dressing for wounds when medical supplies run dry. Number 3. Pure canning salt. Not standard iodized table salt. Smart preppers are buying massive bags of pure, non-iodized canning salt. In a long-term grid-down scenario, your freezer won't work. Salt is the ultimate off-grid preservative used to cure meat, pickle vegetables, and keep your food supply from rotting. Number 4. Canned sardines in oil. The ultimate stealth survival food. They are incredibly cheap, take up almost zero space in a bug-out bag, and are packed with critical omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and calcium. The oil inside can even be used as an emergency fuel source. Number 5. Freeze-dried instant coffee. This is the ultimate barter currency. During a prolonged crisis, addiction and psychological fatigue hit hard. The person who holds the caffeine supply holds the power. Smart preppers are stockpiling coffee not just for themselves, but to trade for high-value gear later. Keep your inventory quiet, lock down your perimeter, and secure these items before the masses catch on. Prep now, panic never. Hit subscribe for more hardcore survival tactics, and I'll see you next time.